Wayudo kanyo ni weche mago mabende ne owach kod jatend piny Kenya odiochieng' mano ma kawuono ewi okang' mano mar biro siro wakeni e pacho kae kaachiel kod chung' kodgi. Weche makamagi bende ne osira koda mikai mano mokwongo e pacho kae Mama Rachel Ruto mano mabende ne oyuoro e nyasi maket koda kama bende en bende no odhi nyime chwako mine kata pako mine mago ma pacho kae kuom tije mabende gisebedo ka gitimo e neno ni piny Kenya obedo makare. Bende ne ojogi mar mondo migine ni gibedo e ong'ala mano manyime mano mar neno ni wechego kata dwarogo mago mag wakeni ochopo ne oganda duto te.
Kina mama wa Kenya, kina mama wa maendeleo ya kina mama, wacha niseme asante. Asante kwa viongozi wenu. Viongozi wa tangu maendeleo ya kina mama ianze mwaka wa 1952, 1958. Maendeleo ya kina mama ni jina ambalo tunajua nyumbani. Maendeleo ya kina mama is a household name. And I want to thank the women of Kenya for their resilience and their work of empowering communities. Nyinyi kina mama ndio sababu Kenya ipo. Bila kina mama mambo yanaweza kuwa ngumu sana. And so to the women of Kenya, I want to say we are proud of you and the work that you continue to do. I want to encourage you not to be tired and not to give up. You are empowering your families. You are empowering the people of Kenya. May the Lord continue to strengthen you and continue to bless you for the great work. Sometimes as a woman, when you're working, you think someone is not seeing. But I want to tell you that the world sees and people see. Kwa hivyo asanteni sana. To the leaders, I want to thank you for your resilience. I see the trailblazers here. Women who have stood the test of time. And today the young women of this nation look up to you. Thank you for setting a great example for the young women of this nation. Your Excellency, thank you so much for standing with the women of Kenya. Without you, we would not be here. We are very proud of you. And we know that you, as the President of Kenya, the women of Kenya are at a good place. So we continue to pray for you, Your Excellency, that you will continue to lead us even in the days to come.